Hey everybody, welcome to Cowboy Leather and Boot Repair. I'm Scott. I'll be your host for today for this video. I'm going to take and stitch this up, and once we get it stitched up, we'll put a little oil on it and get it ready. Hang tight. I'm going to get the camera set. Alright, we're going to stitch this up using, they call it camel brown. Now, I don't mind if my hands get in the way here. Using 277 top thread, 277 bottom thread. See if we can make a mess. Just like that. Put a little oil on it. Don't need much. I've already finished out the edges. Just put a light coat on. Okay, hope. Yeah, go ahead and open up this. That one is for a medium to medium size pocket knife. Like I say, everything's been smoothed up. All it needs is a stitch and put a little oil on it. Bring it back up here. I got a clicker knife for that. They're a pretty handy little device. Everybody seems to be making them. They're out there for sale. I don't mind anybody copying mine. I probably copy somebody else's. Now you can take that same pattern and you can make magazine pouch. All I did is just spaced out the stitching. Makes nice, double stack mag. It's pretty versatile item. I sell quite a few of them to farmers. That's seems to be most of my clientele is the farmers. But like I say, they're a simple thing to make. Not much material in it. Some of my tool or stamped, some of my don't. But I've been making them in natural veg tan. I've got some of them I've got cut out. I just haven't put them together yet. I'm using black, not harness leather. Yeah, harness leather. So I made one and I had it hanging on the wall and somebody wanted it, so I sold it to them. It was just kind of like an example. But you can make these out of just about anything. I wouldn't make it out of anything less than 7/8. You might, I'd say the 5/6 is a little too light. But like I say, they're a handy thing to have. They sell good. Most everybody carries a pocket knife. And I carry one. I carry one on my belt, carry one in my pocket, and carry one with a belt clip on it. So, never can tell when you're going to get into something where you can't get to one in your pocket, you can get to the other ones. But I just didn't want to drag this video out very long. Just wanted to show you the stitching, and I don't know if you all caught it or not, but what I do is I start down here, stitch up this way, around, down, come back up here, and then drop back down this way. That way you don't have to stop and start half dozen times. But these, I've got a pattern that I got through Maker's Leather Supply, made out of the blue acrylic, and that's got the different stitch patterns, or not stitch, yeah, the stitch patterns, and you can also use it for where you're going to put your tooling or stamping or whatever. I use that one occasionally, but like I say, this one I got a clicker die for. That makes it a whole lot easier and a lot quicker to do it, especially when you're doing production work. But had a good week. Made a lot of products. Sold quite a few. In one of my videos, I made a set of chinks. Those went out the door. In fact, the gentleman's coming to get them any minute now. I made several belts. Business is good. Weather seems to be warming up. The last couple days it's been in the 60s, and today I think it got to be 71 or 72 here in Tennessee, so at least where I live. So yeah, the groundhog said it was 6 more weeks, but I don't believe in varmints. I'd rather shoot them than believe in them. But anyways, like I say, business is picking up. Weather's getting better. Pretty soon we'll be going full steam ahead. Well, with that said, I'm going to let y'all go. I'm going to go kind of clean up the shop. I got about 20 minutes before I close the doors. And I want to sweep and tidy up a little bit. So, thanks for watching the video. If you would, I see I'm getting more subscribers, which is a good thing. I'm not going to complain. If you're not a subscriber, feel free to hit the like button, hit the bell. It'll let you know we post new videos. And leave a comment. Anybody interested in these, I'll cut them out. You finish them. Just saying. You tell me what you want, how many you want, and we'll cut them out, put them in a box or bag or whatever, however many you purchase, and you too can make and sell these. Just like I say, if you're interested, drop me a comment down there in the bottom, and we'll get back with you. All right, everybody have a safe, good weekend, and we'll see you on the next go-round. Cowboys out. Bye now.